Hello and welcome back. I've got a 5 coin set here from Egypt. I do have two of these sets, and this is one of the two bags that I got. This first coin is a £1 coin, and it shows medical doctors. On this side we have the Arabic and the one logo, and then on this side we have medical teams and doctors. The mintage for this coin is 10 million. It's a £1 coin. The second coin in this series is 50 piastres. It's from 2012. It also could be used known as 50 Kirsch. You have the Arabic design on this side with the Arabic numbering, and then we have on the other side the bust of Cleopatra with the dates. There is no mintage for this coin. No mintage figures for this coin. This one is a 50 piastres, and it is medical teams. On this side you have the Arabic denomination, and on this side you have the medical teams themselves. This is a 50 piastres or 50 Kirsch coin. It is from 2020. The mintage for this coin is 5 million. The next one is again a £1 2019 coin, and on this side is the Arabic denominations. It's from 2019. It is the power stations or power station towers, and the mintage is 40 million for this 2019 coin. The fifth and final coin of this set, or well, not a set, but of this video, is a 2005 £1 coin, this is the Arabic denomination side of it, and it is a 2005 coin, but it's a repeat of the one that I had in the other set, which is the King Tut, as we've called him, but it's actually the Pharaoh Tutankhamun. And there are no mintage figures for this coin available. So there is the 5 coins that I bought as an an Egyptian coins lot, rather than coin set, because I don't believe the different dates, so they can't be a set of coins from a year. What do you think of them? I actually like these quite a lot. Some of these Egyptian coins are sometimes a bit difficult to decipher, even from the photographs, or even from the reverse portrait pictures. So those are the 5 coins. I'll put them back in this bag for safekeeping until I'm ready to flip them and put them into my collection. Here we go. I'm currently doing minimum 4, and just recently I've been doing 5 videos a week, in the hope that you can find something that you enjoy watching. I am looking to improve my subscriber level again this year. I hit my target of 100 last year, and this year I'm looking to try to get to 150 more, which will make 250. I'm currently on around about 174 or so, and that's towards the end of May of 2023. So I do need your help to get to that number. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give me the thumbs up. if you have if you think I deserve it, please would you subscribe. I would be grateful, if you haven't already done so, of course. I would be grateful for any subscriptions that I get. As I say, I'm targeting 250 for this year, and hopefully I will get there with your help. So, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one, you find the coin you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can get them the coins you want for the price you want to pay. Until we meet up in the near future on this channel, and which I hope will not be too far in the future, until we meet up again, thank you for watching and bye bye. Ta-da now.